It is important to know when to create a share investment and for whom in the system. You will create share investments when those are made by either your client entities, or legal persons, or natural persons in an investee, or an entity that you do not manage as a client in the system. When you manage a client entity in Eazzy, the shares investments made in that entity are directly created via the share transactions functions instead. Please note that an investment in shares will be used to construct the UBO and the group structure in the system. Let us do an example to demonstrate this. Let's say you manage the entity Eazzy Limited. So this is a company for which you will be issuing shares in the system. Eazzy Limited has only one shareholder, named Legal Person Ltd, as you can see. This is because you did an issue of shares for 100 ordinary shares to the shareholder Legal Person Limited. Please note that only ordinary shares with voting rights may be used to create the UBO and group structure in Eazzy. Now Legal Person Ltd is owned fully by ABC Ltd, or in other words, ABC Ltd has invested and bought Legal Person Limited. So this information is populated in the system by entering an investment that ABC Ltd does as a share investment in Legal Person Ltd. So to recap, Eazzy Limited is owned by Legal Person, who is in turn owned by ABC Ltd. Now who owns ABC Ltd? You have the information that ABC Ltd is owned fully by Mr. John Smith. So you have to go to the form of the natural person Mr. John Smith and create a share investment in the legal person ABC Ltd for 100%. And this is how you have built the UBO structure using both the share transactions and investments functions in the system. Going back to the Entity tab of Eazzy Ltd, you will be able to see the UBO structure on the right-hand side of your screen after having clicked on the button Update BO and Group Structure. So here we go. Do not hesitate to review the tuto to master this process.